Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, you're going to learn how to make a disappearing and reappearing bridge just like this in Roblox Studio. Well, in that case, let's get into it. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is go to your home tab up here. You're going to insert a part and you're going to make 3 parts just like this. You can change the color to whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. So the next thing you're going to do is go and click View. And then you're going to open your Explorer tab right where my mouse is. Once you're in this tab, you're going to find the section that says Server Script Service, and then you're going to click the plus button beside it. Once you've done that, insert a script. Once you're inside your script, the first thing you're going to do is delete the print hello world, and then you're going to go into the video description and paste the script in. Once you've done that, and if you want to change how fast the bricks rotate, go up to vanish rate variable at the top, and I'm going to change it to 0.5. This means my bricks are going to swap between each brick per half a second. This is in seconds, so you can change it to whatever you like. After you've done that, go back to Main Studio and then rename each of your parts, part 1, 2, and 3, with a capital P and no spaces. After that, hover over all of your parts and make sure they're anchored. You can do this by going to the Home tab and clicking Anchor. Now once we playtest, we can see that every half of a second, this bridge deletes itself, and then it repeats once all the bridges are gone. Remember guys, you can change the time in the script, just like how I showed you previously in the video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed any content you've seen in this video and want to learn more about scripting, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel to teach more people how to script. If you want to see a different video idea or have any questions, drop a comment down below and I'll respond. Thanks for watching and have a great day.